Hello, myself Sunil Ramprasad, and here basically we are going to discuss the one more question basically, that is 44th number question. And in this question basically we are going to tell that how basically mountain basically is so powerful. Even basically machine can't break that mountain. So related to this only, one more thing basically, how basically earth planet basically is just a simple sand, basically sand, it's basically set of sands, right? sands, sands means in Hindi basically it's called as a mitti. It's set of only sands, set of mittis basically. So how this set of sand basically can handle these 250 floor buildings? 250 floor, it's not a normal amount, it's a 250 floors building. So, what is basically magic behind this, and who is basically behind this magic? Basically, which all are this group basically who actually created this magic? That sand is behaving like something else basically. What is that something else basically that we are going to discuss? That how basically the sand basically set of sand basically can handle 250 floors building. The best example is Mumbai city near sea basically. 250 floors buildings are there basically. Each floor basically cost 100 crore. Means one apartment basically, sorry, one room basically cost 100 crore. Like this, basically 250 floors basically are there, and each floor basically 10 rooms are there basically. 10 flats basically we can say. So we can just imagine basically sorry, 250 floors building standing in the sand basically, with the set of energy support basically, with the set of energy support. Is this not a magic? Is this not a magic? Is this not a magic? That set of sands basically handles 250 floors building basically. That is basically a magic basically. And how basically this magic basically is happening, and who is behind this magic? How basically 250 floor in Mumbai basically there are more than 1 lakh buildings basically, and each building minimum basically floor are 10 floor basically, minimum I am talking about. New buildings basically I'm talking about. Minimum basically the floors of sorry, the building heights basically you can say it's of 10 floors basically. 10 floors basically, it's a minimum height of the building basically. So like this basically 1 lakh buildings are there. So what is the magic behind this, that 1 lakh buildings are just standing in the land basically, sand land, sand, not also mountain land. It's just a sand, set of sand, and from set of in the set of sands basically the 1 lakh buildings basically are standing. How basically this magic is happening? Because this only magic happens in Mumbai basically, because Mumbai is the one of the magical city of India basically, near sea. So how this magic is happening, and who is the magician basically, who is the jadugar? In Hindi basically it is called jadugar, magician basically in Hindi, in English basically. Who is that magician? That how basically the 1 lakh floors are standing in the sand basically, with the support of set of energies that are basically ONGC, IPCL, Reliance, Ames Oxygen. These all are basically supporters of the buildings. Basically, the buildings are standing. But the main is sand basically. In sand basically, how the buildings are standing. 250 floors building. How's that magic has happened? So that basically is the next question. That is the 44th question that basically we are going to discuss in detail.